I just flip the switch. Flip, flip, got a man on everything. This is so crazy, got a trillion for real. Baby. Hopping out the jet.
I didn't realise.
Oh, it's buckled. How have you managed that?
I don't know, it was just in the back of the car.
Yikes.
Holy shit. I didn't even had it out.
Fucking
It was
hell.
like that in my back. So I noticed it yesterday.
Is the underneath of your car buckled? Have you had a... Is the underneath bit buckled?
No?
No? I don't know how the fuck you managed that.
I didn't do it.
That's impressive.
What
Lucky.
the fuck is this?
Lucky impressed.
Found the charger.
Nice.
I love that.
Nice, nice. I do have my actual camera in the car, but it's raining, so I'm just going to use this little shitty one. So, I thought that was a pregnancy test for a second. Is that a USB?
It's like one of them mobile internet things. One of the old things.
Might as well bin that.
Might as well, but just stick it in the back. Go straight down to your garage then.
Yeah.
Oh.
Johnny's got some new number plate lights to put on his car because his right one was broken and his left one was just a bulb, so it was sort of yellow. So it'll be white like mine. He's got these little mics. Pretty cool. And meanwhile, my plans are, I've set up like a little VTech spray booth in the garage, and I got some spray cans from Poundland, and I'm going to respray some shit black. So, this finishing piece on top of my exhaust is silver, but I kind of want it to be black so it sort of blends in with the rest of this. So I'm going to take that off, but it's some sort of Allen key, like really small Allen key. So I'll take that off and respray it black. I did bring some white spirits to clean it, obviously, because we've just driven here and it's going to have shit all over it. And I'm also going to carry on with the respray of the interior, because I didn't actually finish that, because I ran out of paint, and I got some more paint, as I've just said. Also, Johnny has got new spark plugs for his car. Yeah, so he's going to do that as well. And I'll probably film him doing that, or film parts of it. I'm actually jealous. Your bonnet has a hydraulic lift thing on the front.
Yeah.
Mine's just got a stick. In fact, if I went to a scrapyard, I might look for a Polo that has one so I can steal it, because it'll be the same mounting points, I bet.
Yeah.
Basically, I'm really intelligent and forgot to bring a tripod, so you're currently on a chair. It started raining, but he needs to get his spark plugs done, so he's gonna back it up and then come into the garage forward, just up to about here. Oh yeah. Oh, that's got that stuff all over it. I need to rub it with white spirits first, actually. Good thing I checked. As well.
Yeah. Just for its match.
So, I resprayed this one here, this little glove box thing here, and I'm going to take out this full glove box and respray that as well. I've got more than enough paint and more than enough time to do it, so I'll do that now. Yeah. We're packing everything up and going to Johnny's instead. We've made it to Johnny's. I still need to put that bit back on. I've started gutting the interior for the glove box to come out. So I'm going to carry on, but it started raining, so I don't know where we're going to respray it, which is a bit shit. But yeah.
Cheers, Mr. Van Man. I'll go the same way back we did today down that country road.
Okay, yeah.
Look at his wheels. They were sick. What do the number plate lights look like?
They look really good, yeah.
Do they look good?
Yeah.
That's sick.
We're just heading home now. So that's probably going to be the end of the video, but cheers.